Is your Windows text-to-speech legacy apps not working because of the Vtext Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. As we prepare to fix Vtext Library manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the Vtext Library, the Microsoft Voice Text Engine, a legacy unmanaged module part of the SAPI 4 Speech API stack. It manages the orchestration of phoneme-based speech synthesis and facilitates the data link for converting text manifests into raw, localized audio output. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Vtext is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX files and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Vtext library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Vtext Library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Vtext Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Vtext Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.